Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold today is continuously moving down. Okay, previous 3 days we have seen, of 4 days there is a continuous upside, but after that today we have seen, after making a half around 2693, it is continuously in the downtrend. What we have seen, the dollar index is continuously moving upside. Okay, after making a low of around 2663 dollars, it came down and now it's trying to go higher. Okay, but a strong level we have seen at a level of $2666. Okay, so a bounce back can come, or if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. You have to understand that looking at this particular U pattern has formed, so probability will be high that if the price started going above a level of 2679, there is a chances it can go further upside. So probability of going towards 2691 will be there, and if the price sustain above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, probability of going upside will be there. Okay, but if the price started falling below 2664, a bounce back we can see, or if started falling below this level, it can come towards a level of 2639 also. There is a probability. Okay, after crossing a level of $2650 and then a further fall. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see ahead, see, whenever what we have seen in the price of gold, that there is a U patterns are forming, these U patterns. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear U pattern forming, and this, when the range breakout happens, we have seen there is a continuous upside. A profit booking came at this particular level. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, chances are high that if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside movement we can see. But today, as we have seen, there is a continuous fall. Okay, now if you look at that, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. With the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that the price, if sustained above a level of 109.5, chances are high it will go towards $110, and then a further upside movement we can see. It can go towards $110.5, and a further upside we can see towards $111, and then a further high, because there is a clear indication that there is an upside movement. Okay, and this level we have seen in 22 of November, so probability of further upside we can see. Okay, now if the price started falling below a level of 109.5, then we can see there is a probability that it can go towards 109 to a level of 108.5, and then to a level of 108. But if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $107.5, and then a further low. Coming back on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability will be very high that if the price keep moving over this level, it can go towards $2676, and if the price moving up 2676, a probability of touching a level of around 2685 is there. Okay, and suppose if the price sustaining above a level of 2685, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $2692. Okay, and if the price moving up that particular level, chance of touching 2693.5 will be there, because this level is already being tested. So chances are high that the price, if started going above a level of 2693, it can touch a level of $2696, and once the price moving above this level, a probability of touching 2698 is there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 2700. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see, and then a probability of crossing a level of 2710 is there, because this level is already being weak resistance, so chances are high the price will go further high, and then a probability of touching 2717 is there, and then if the price moving over this level, a probability of touching 2725 is there. Okay, and then a further upside, so probability of moving further upside will be there. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $2667, and if it started falling below that particular level, it can go towards 2661. Okay, and once the price moving below 2661, a probability of touching 2659 we can see, and then a bounce back can come. But if it started falling below 2659, a probability of going towards 2653 will be there, and once started going below that particular level, chances of touching 2649 will be there. Okay, and then once the price falling below 26.49, a further fall we can see towards a level of $26.45. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of around $26.40. Okay, and chances of going a bounce back we can see, or if started falling below this level, it will move in this zone. So probability of going towards a level of $26.33 will be there, and if started falling below this level, a probability of touching 26.28 will be there, and then a further low we can see towards 26.20. Okay, and then we can see there will be a probability that it will come towards a level of $26.15, and then a further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.